Okay, so in this video, I just want to cover how to use mushroom logs as a raised bed. And it's very simple. Once you inoculate mushroom logs, you can place them in the shape of whatever garden bed you want, and you'll get mushrooms and you'll get the plants that you grow in that bed. And you can also inoculate the bed with wood chips of wine cap mushrooms or wood bluets, and you'll get two mushrooms and whatever plants you grow in it in that one garden bed. And this is what I call the double mushroom bed. So you can take, let's say, oyster mushrooms or shiitake mushroom logs that are basically fully colonized and place them as the actual raised bed, fill it with soil, whatever else, and mulch it with wood chips and inoculate those wood chips with wine cap mushrooms or wood bluets, and you'll get two mushrooms in one garden bed plus whatever plants that you choose to grow in it. And I would grow plants that will provide shade for the mushrooms, so you'll get a very symbiotic garden bed. So you'll have mushrooms breaking down wood chips, creating good soil. You'll have the bed actually made of mushroom logs, so you get mushrooms fruiting out of the raised bed, and then you'll get the plants. So it's very simple, it's very easy, and you should try it because why not? Grow two mushrooms in one bed. Cool. I hope you found this helpful. If you need any more help, just leave me a comment. Have a great day. Bye.